In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation. The right hand is going to work with pentascales on the white keys. Simple beginner's hand positions on the white keys, one finger per key, in lots of different places on the keyboard. The left hand just gets octaves. And so let's say we're in this A position, remember named by the leftmost note. A position on the white keys for the pentascale on the right hand. The left hand is going to get A's. So the hands are going to be moving around in tandem with one another. Here's the G's together, all together, the E's all together, the C's all together, D's, B's, etc. Right? Now you might be like, what can we do with it? It's all going to sound like an exercise. But it really doesn't have to. This pentascale, there's so many melodic possibilities. And before we do that, the left hand, we're just not only doing octaves, but we're going to limit it to block octaves. So we can't break it. We could, of course, being creative people. But for our purposes right now, we're going to see what you can get by just using block octaves. Initially, we're just going to hold it. We need to create some sort of melodic figure or phrase with these 5 notes. What could we do? Well, let's see if we can create something. What if it's something like this? Okay, let's see if I can remember it. With my octave. Let's go to F. G. E. Now, so it's getting more interesting, right? I could, with that phrase, maybe sometimes it's a little bit shorter, maybe sometimes it's a little bit longer. What do I mean by that? Something like this. So I started to vary things, not only shorten and lengthen them, but to vary it. Let's vary it some more, and let's put some sort of pulse in this block. Let's go to C. The idea. Now with this down here, what if it's faster? Right? Double time. Let's go to A. Let's go back to D. A. Let's go to C. So notice now I'm paralleling the rhythm I have here for part of this figure. That can be very effective. I could go back and forth. But you get the idea. Let's do something that is maybe more rhythmic in the left hand and a little bit less active in the right hand. So maybe we have something like, and then occasionally a little figure here. How about? Let's go to D. Instead of this being a melody, we come up with some sort of ostinato pattern. Maybe this is what is regular and repeated. and the melody is more the left hand in the octaves. So this little figure, it's the same wherever I move it. 1, 2, 5, 4, 1, 2, 5, 4, 1, 2, 5, 4. Wherever I put it. Right? So, lots of opportunity for creativity. Melodic content here, and just pedal points, or holding octaves down, or creating a pulse, or creating a rhythm, or the octaves becoming the melody with some sort of repeated idea up here, or pulsation up here. This can get quite active as well. So see what you can do.